Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Apex.
What does the dictionary say?
The tip, point, or vertex. Summit.
Math rap.
Learning about the apex puts the high point in place. It's the tip-top vertex that is furthest from the base. Look up high at the summit and point it out, and you'll have found the apex without a doubt.
Math rap.
Explain apex in your own words. What is the height of your thoughts? If you stand on your head, is the apex now your feet? How many apexes are there in the capital letter M? Name a job where you work from atop an apex. If you laid on your back with your arms at your side, what part of your body would be the apex? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!